So hope you are well, and this video is for you guys to make a comparison. Which tool do you need for your future cases management? So I will proceed with Rocket Matter to show its dashboard, and then we will jump on the Zapier automations. You can analyze your needs based on the automations I will show you in this video. So here is the dashboard for Rocket Matter. For Rocket Matter, I will say this is a little heavy, so it takes time to load up, but yeah, there is a lot of functionality in it. We can see calendar and manage your calendars, everything on the dashboard. On your front page, you can manage your matters separately. You can manage your contacts and calendar separately. You can create tasks based on your cases, manage your documents and billing part, obviously. But this billing is actually not possible within the automation of Zapier or make.com. So yeah, you can see the reports, tools, legal, CRM. When you open this, it will jump you on another page like this, and you can manage your stuff for the CRM here. And yeah, we can see messages, sport. We have sport and yeah, things like these. And when actually in Rocket Matter, it is not a famous tool, but when you go in pricing, I think it is affordable than the other ones. So pricing for this Rocket Matter in the essential plan, you get $49, and I believe this enough functionality for you. But if you want something more advanced, like in the future you want some additions, advanced customizations, file sharing, e-signature, OneDrive integrations and things like that, you can upgrade it later. But let's jump onto the Zapier automations. When you go to Zapier and see what are the automations available for Rocket Matter, we can see there are triggers. Let's say whenever a new contact created, new event created, new invoice, new matter, and things like that. And in action, we can let's say someone, a client came to you, he submitted a form, new contact will be created here. We can create a contact, create event, create matter, create notes, create task, all the stuff. But the thing I missed here is billing part. We cannot create a bill here. And similar to this Rocket Matter app CRM, there is another CRM, that is LawPay. That is actually also for the lawyers and law firms. You can use the create charge module or step in Zapier for this. So you can create an automation to create a charge. Other things are like create contact, create quick bill, similar to the charging. So yeah, get a contact. We can search contacts. So like if you have a contact already in LawPay, you can search the contact with their email. If it will be available, then we can stop that automation. If it is not available, then we can create a contact. But in Rocket Matter, the search module is also missing, so that's why I usually like more LawPay than the Rocket Matter. And similar to this let's see the LawPay pricing. So yeah, when we go on to the page of pricing, we can see it is, I think it is less than the Rocket Matter. So yeah, we can start in $19. Wow, that's, we can get contact with them directly with the custom pricing. So I think this is affordable. So let me show you some other tools as well. I know about a tool that is Clio. Clio is actually has two modules. two branches, Clio Grow and Clio Manage. So when we go into it, there is a lot of functionality available that is specifically designed for law firms or lawyers. So here you can see a lot of functionality that we can utilize. Actually, this is specifically designed and for lawyers, and it is a famous one with a lot of functionality. So when we see the pricing for this, I believe it will be a little costly because it has a lot of functionality. So for essential it has $79, but in Rocket Matters it was $49. And other tool, last one that I usually work with lawyers, they use that tool because that is the most famous tool that has most task management functionality, that is ClickUp. I will show you the ClickUp dashboard and the functionality, but let's check its pricing first. So you can see it is very cheap than others. When we go into the ClickUp, this is the dashboard, something like that. We can create docs, we can message with the team members in inbox, and we can make workspaces, folders. Under folders we can create lists, and in the list we can create a lot of tasks, and based on the task we can assign it to the team members like this. If your team member is added here, we can add that. Work date, we can track time as well. And they did not added that column, but we can definitely add that. So track, so here it is, we can turn it on. It will be able to track the time. So we can add multiple statuses, and the best thing is when we go into Zapier automations, there's a lot of functionality available for this as well. Triggers, like whenever a new task is created, it must be for a new client. Actually, let's say whenever a new client comes in with a form submission, we can create actions like to create a folder first. Under that folder we can create a list, and under that list we can create a task, and based on that task we can actually add a lot of things in it, like statuses, task name, and we can update the custom fields based on the change of statuses, like first first date of the court case and second date, things like that. So here is a little comparison. I did work on ClickUp a lot, Clio, and currently I'm working on Rocket Matters and LawPay. So I mostly like ClickUp because this is best tool for your case management. Your actually there is a built-in automation functionality available for this, so we can create built-in automations as well if there is something to design within automate within ClickUp. So here you are. If you have any questions, you can just ping me at my WhatsApp number or on my Gmail account. You can see my WhatsApp number and email ID on the screen. So see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.